Hello everyone, welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In this lesson, you will be learning numbers from 21 till 100. So here is the first number. 21 you can say in German like this. 21. Noch einmal. 21. Here is the second one. 22. Noch einmal. 22. 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29. Now 30 you can say in the German like this. 30. Noch einmal 30. 40 you can say in German like this. 40. 40. 50. 50. 60. 60. 70. 70. 80. 80. 90, 90, and last but not the least 100. You can say 100 in German like this. 100 oder 100. Oder means or. You can also say 100 or you can also like this 100. Now let's come to the question. How old are you? You can say in German like this. We are bist du. But this is the informal way. If you want to talk to any friend like a formal way, so you can say like this. We all sind sie. Noch einmal, we all sind sie. I am 22 years old. इसका आंसर होगा जर्मन में Ich bin 22 Jahre alt. Noch einmal, ich bin 22 Jahre alt. Hope you liked my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the bell icon. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.